Hi, my name is Megan from Shaler Honda. I'm one of the sales consultants here. I'm going to show you how to get into the tailgate of your Passport. There are a few different ways you can do it. The first way you can do it, the most typical way, is there's a little button right under here. You're just going to press that, and it's electronic, so it'll automatically lift up for you. And then to close it, all you have to do, press that button right there. Now, a second way of opening it, you can use your key fob. There's a little tailgate button. You press and hold it. Do the same thing. And then also you can close it from the key fob as well. And then from the inside of the car, there's your little tailgate button on the inside of the door. All you have to do is press this button on the inside of the car. You can open the tailgate right from that or close it from there as well.